Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Cordapia in Australia. I'm cleaning up my pergola, guys. See, all are wet, the floor are wet, and I'm cleaning my table, guys. I bought this one, guys, second hand in Salvation Army, so that's why I can put you know what, a table in the pergola. So the only thing I need this one is to put paint again, you know. So all my things, guys, even my things inside the house are from second-hand shop and rubbish. This one, guys, from rubbish. I pick up this one in the footpath, on the footpath, and all my flower pots are rubbish, guys. Someone doesn't like it anymore, and I said I can take that one, all your pots that you don't like, because they trying to get rid of it. They're trying to put it in the bin. So I take all these pots and I make my own flower shelf. So all these, guys, are from rubbish, and the pots, the big pots, guys, that one from rubbish. So they threw it, and so I make it, you know. I put my plants, my succulent plants. See, there are plenty, guys, plenty. And also this one, guys, this pot, to throw it. All this one, guys, I, you know, put all my plants. And this one too, they don't like it, I took it. So I have to rearrange all my flowers, because look, my flowers are scattered anywhere, everywhere in the pergola. And I have something also here, so I need to rearrange that one. So Biko, my dog, is very, come here Biko, out. So I have fenced this one, guys, because this area, guys, is for my clothes, my laundry area. Oh no, hanging area. So yeah, so I need to rearrange all my plants, guys, because I have plenty of plants, and also fruits. And oh, look, my pomelo, guys, even though it's small tree, but lots of fruits. Why? This tree is very old, already more than 30 years, because I marked this one from the mother tree. When you say marked, there's a technique, that one, in order you to get branch from the mother tree. And it's, you know, the only thing you need is to put rooting powder, and then after that you have to wait until 6 months, and then it produces roots already, and that's the time you cut it off the branch, and then you plant it on the pot. And that's what happened. My pomelo, look at that. See, look, I did not buy that one, guys, and this one too, guys, I did not buy. That is the seeds. How many years? 10 years, more than, I think more than 8 years already. And I just plant the seeds and I put in the pot. See, guys, and that one too, I pick up from rubbish. This one someone threw in the rubbish bin, and then I take some, and then I plant. I make it by myself, the house. See, and that wood is also from rubbish. Everything rubbish, guys. All that one are from rubbish. The wood I did not buy, and all the pots too. Some of my pots I bought it, and this one I did not buy. This one, guys, I cannot afford to buy that one. It's from the old lady. She gave it to me. So, and this one too, from rubbish. All that one. See, guys, and that one, the ark is from rubbish. Everything from rubbish. And that one, guys, also I pick up some you know, in the footpath too. And these are all my plants, guys. And so I have to rearrange this one. I make the landscaping, I make by my own. See, and now it's clean now, and my cat starting making mess on my table. Ha! Go out. See, guys. Now, guys, I need to clean up this one, guys, and the food of my dog. Whew. So that's it, guys. And I have to clean up the house of my dog to get rid of the fur. And that's it. So this is for now. My nose is very itchy. Got headache because of the fur of the cats and the dogs. But anyway guys, that's all for now. Okay guys, see you next video, and I hope you like my plants. All these are my plants. I make my own hanging plants. I mean the shelf. Sorry. I make this one, guys. This one. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, see you next video. Bye bye.